Digital money costs have forever been unpredictable, starting from the first crypto send-off in 2009. In any case, this unpredictability didn't annoy anybody in those days, as not many individuals enjoyed cryptos. Be that as it may, circumstances are different, and various individuals are presently mindful and engaged with the crypto market. Subsequently, it becomes crucial to monitor the market and costs of various cryptos. This permits financial backers to pursue better and informed choices and enhance their profits with negligible dangers. This survey will walk you through the value expectations of the action for the years 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, and 2030. This drawn-out examination will assist you with better comprehension action's presentation in years to come. With such countless individuals putting their fortunes in action, providing individuals with a nitty-gritty outline of the symbolics presentation is fundamental. Yet, prior to jumping into the exact action cost expectations, this video will likewise check the token exhaustively out. This will assist you with figuring out what action is about and choose for yourself in the event that this is a reasonable venture for your portfolio. So keep perusing to find out more. Action Outline. Action Network is one of the main worldwide financial frameworks intended to expand the buying force of the members in the organization. Subsequently, the organization has gained notoriety for offering dealers a rewarding speculation opportunity. The profits you get with Action are far superior than the profits you can get from some other traditional digital money. Thus, Action has become one of the most great options among crypto brokers hoping to enhance their drawn-out returns. Many even venture to say Action is quite possibly of the best undertaking in the decentralized task circle. The token works on the ETH20 blockchain network, making it perhaps of the most solid token on the lookout. Value history and outline of the Action token before its send-off or relaunch in November 2020. It needed to manage many difficulties in the crypto world. However, the token figured out how to explore through these difficulties and make its presentation in the market at $0. In any case, even this worth wouldn't stay static, as the token had a ton of potential, and crypto clients were very much aware of the equivalent. Something significant you ought to be familiar with Action is the invasion assault by an unapproved code. Prior to the send-off of Action was known as X6000, which was at that point accessible for financial backers on the lookout. The token figured out how to draw in north of 10,000 holders, adding to the then market cap of $100 million. Following the send-off, crypto holders could trade AXN with X6000 on a one-to-one premise. Luckily, this underlying mishap didn't keep going for a really long time, as Action organization rushed to recover command over the framework. After an exhaustive examination of the matter, Action limited brokers from exchanging or pulling out AXN until additional notification. Following this, it didn't take long for examiners to recuperate the taken token, and the equivalent was again moved into the financial backers' wallets. This was trailed by a pledge drive where 20% of the ETH sell-off charge was infused into the organization. This episode showed an incredible example to Action organization, which then began utilizing better safety efforts. Numerous financial backers responded by selling the Action token after the security break. In any case, Action again offered them new tokens at a proportion of 1-to-1. As a matter of fact, all financial backers were again repaid in AXN for $0 AXN. The token has made considerable progress from that point forward, despite the fact that it is a generally more limited period. As per sources, Action arrived at an unsurpassed high worth of $0, bringing it up to $14.34 in the crypto market. As of now, purchasing an Action token in return for Bitcoin will cost you 0.00000000006 BTC, and on account of the USD, you should burn through $0 Action. Action's marketing and sales system assumed a key part in energizing the development of the token and settling its costs at the same time. For this reason, Action didn't experience a lot during the incomparable crypto day crash on the 19th May 2021. Action barters permitted the token to put cash in its improvement at this point. Action's market cap and exchanging volume have been expanding consistently, which further adds to the better presentation of the token. As per sources, there has been an increment of 19.28% in Action's worth as of now. This is a decent marker for a symbolic that has explored through various difficulties, eventually arriving where it offers incredible open doors for financial backers. Action token value figure. The crypto market has encountered dramatic development in the recent years, all because of better mindfulness among the overall population. Subsequently, the quantity of crypto tokens has been expanding at a remarkable speed. Notwithstanding of this multitude of tokens, there are not very many possibilities you will track down anything as extraordinary as the Action token. This token has held its standing in the market through many high points and low points. Obviously, one ought to pursue venture choices in view of simple words, so we should investigate the specialized and basic examination of the Action token and get a more clear view. Action token value expectation. Action token value expectation for 2022. Possible return for money invested, 81%. The AXN token has been staggering and is by all accounts at a downtrend since its entrance into 2022. The token began the year with $0, ultimately falling low until the end of the month until it drooped to $0 the month's over. While the financial backers were certain about the symbolics development for the month, it neglected to show any surprising development, at last closure at a new low of around $0 the finish of February. Nonetheless, the following 2 months denoted a precarious spike in the value developments of the token, giving it a push to $0, its most noteworthy for the year. Be that as it may, the spike was fleeting as the market was hit after the breakdown of Luna and the defixing of Terra USD around the second 7-day stretch of May. The occasion brought about AXN tumbling to its most reduced of $0 the finish of May. The symbolics cost encountered a fall. Keep going recorded at $0 June 7th, and the descending force went on till June 22nd. At that point, the token was at that point 83.48% beneath the untouched high. Action's token cost expectations for 2022 are exceptionally negative, with wallet investor anticipating Action token's cost will go down to $0 the finish of 2022. Then again, priceprediction.net predicts a decay carrying the worth to $0 the finish of 2022. Action token value expectation for 2023, likely return for capital invested, 40%. The situation are a piece different for 2023, with Trading Beast foreseeing the symbolics cost to go down to only $0 the year's over. Wallet investor likewise has a negative view with their estimates foreseeing the cost to plunge to simply $0 December of 2022. These expectations appear to be sufficient to cut down the spirit of any possible financial backer of the Action token. So to encourage them, priceprediction.net provides a cost estimate of 0.000543 toward the finish of 2023. Thus, this demonstrates the way that forecasts can be relative in view of various elements. Action token value expectation for 2024, likely return on initial capital investment, half. Specialists are not extremely hopeful about Action token costs even 2 years after the fact. In 2024, examiners from Trading Beast and Wallet Investor recommend the costs will go from $0 view of various elements. However, priceprediction.net has a superior standpoint, citing Action token's cost for 2024 to reach about $0 the finish of 2024. As may be obvious, there is an outstanding contrast in assessments of various examiners, so it's in every case better on the off chance that financial backers themselves stay alert. Action token value expectation for 2025, likely return for capital invested, 37%. With regards to foreseeing what's to come costs of Action tokens, Trading Beast brings only negativity to the table. As indicated by them, Action tokens cost will plunge to $0 December 2025. Then again, Wallet Investors' view hasn't altogether changed, with them still determined about esteeming Action token at $0 2025. However, at that point, as usual, priceprediction.net has a more hopeful take.